In this video, I will be showing you how to make dissolvable eggshells. At the end of this experiment, the eggs will look like this. You can use a flashlight to see the yellow of the yolk inside. Eggs and teeth have a strong protection, enamel for the teeth and shells for the eggs. Have you ever wondered how strong teeth can dissolve with cavities? This dissolving eggshell experiment will explain why teeth can dissolve too. For this experiment, you will need 3 clear cups, 3 raw eggs, white vinegar, water, and salt. You can also use food coloring if you want to create colored eggs. First, pour the white vinegar, water, and salt water into each cup. You can also add food coloring to your different liquids at this point if you want to create a colored egg. Then gently place 1 egg in each cup. Pause the video. Which cup do you think the eggshells will dissolve in? Why? You can see that immediately after you place the egg in the vinegar, bubbles begin forming. You can also see in this image that the water and the salt water do not have any bubbles around the eggs. Pause the video. Why do you think these bubbles are forming? After placing the eggs in the different liquids, place the cups in a safe place in the refrigerator, and remember to wash your hands since you have been touching raw eggs. Pause the video. What do you expect to happen to the eggs in each glass? Do you expect them to be the same or different? Why? Check on the eggs every few hours. This is what the egg and vinegar should look like. These are the other 2 eggs in water and salt water. Notice how there aren't any bubbles and the eggshells are intact. Pause the video. What is happening to the eggshell? These are what the eggshells look like after 48 hours. The top 2 eggs were in water and salt water, and their eggshells are still intact. The bottom egg on the left was in vinegar with red food coloring, and the bottom egg on the right was in vinegar without any food coloring, and their eggshells dissolved. Only the vinegar dissolved the eggshell. You can see how squishy the egg is without the shell. Be careful not to pop your eggs. The eggshell provides protection for the egg, and now the egg is very fragile. Pause the video. Why do you think this happened? In this experiment, vinegar is an acid with a pH of 2.5, and eggshells are formed by a substance called calcium carbonate, which is basic with a pH of 9.9. This is a pH scale. It goes from 1 to 14 and measures if a liquid is an acid or a base. If a liquid has a pH below 7, it is classified as an acid. Acids have a sour taste, so many of your favorite citrus fruits are acids. If a liquid has a pH of 7, it is neutral. Common acids are some of your favorite citrus fruits, such as oranges and lemons. If a liquid has a pH above 7, it is classified as a base. Bases have a bitter taste, so different types of cleaners and baking soda are bases. As I mentioned, baking soda is a common base that you use when you make baked goods. White vinegar is an acid and calcium carbonate is a base. The white vinegar has a chemical reaction with the eggshell, breaking it up into calcium and carbonate. The calcium floats away, but the carbonate reacts with the white vinegar to produce the carbon dioxide bubbles you see in the glass. Therefore, the white vinegar breaks down the eggshell, leaving the inside of the egg intact. Think about your teeth as the eggshells. When you don't brush your teeth often, bacteria can grow in your mouth. When you eat, the bacteria combines with the food in your mouth, creating acid similar to the white vinegar in our experiment. This acid can break down the outer protective layer of your teeth called the enamel. Similar to how the vinegar breaks down the shell of an egg, when the egg is exposed to the vinegar for a long period of time, the bacteria and the acid it creates can break down your enamel if you don't brush your teeth for a long period of time. Thank you for watching my video. I hope you learned from this experiment and now know more about acids and bases and how this relates to your life.